Niche Instagram pages are one of the most underrated side hustles in 2025. You can grow them fast, monetize in multiple ways, and best of all, you don't even have to show your face. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start a profitable niche IG page from scratch, including how to pick your niche, grow it, and turn it into a passive income machine. So why do niche Instagram pages still work? Because Instagram rewards value and consistency, not personal branding. If you create content around a specific topic, like budget travel, AI tools, digital products, or productivity hacks, you can build a loyal audience that trusts your content. The best part? You don't have to be an influencer. You're building a resource hub, not a personality brand. That means anyone can do this. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1, pick your niche. Choose a topic with both viral content potential and monetization options. Examples: digital tools, study hacks, budgeting tips, remote work tools, productivity apps. Pick something you can create content around for 30 days without running out of ideas. Step 2, create 5 to 10 starter posts. Before launching the page, prep 5 to 10 posts so your feed looks complete. Start with quote carousels, list-style posts, reels summarizing tips. Use Canva or free templates to design and add your own unique formatting later. Step 3, post daily, carousel plus reels. Instagram favors daily posting, especially reels. Post 1 carousel and 1 reel a day for 30 days. Focus on short, valuable content with text overlays like 3 free tools to organize your life, 5 AI websites you've never heard of. Make it fast, clear, and useful. Step 4, use smart hashtags plus captions. Use niche-specific hashtags. Not hashtag viral, but things like AI tools for designers or budget hacks 2025. Captions should ask a simple question to boost engagement. Now, let's talk money. Once you hit a few thousand followers, here's how to monetize. Affiliate links, promote products or tools you use and get paid per sale. Digital products, sell ebooks, Notion templates, guides related to your niche. Lead magnet email list, offer a freebie, like a cheat sheet or toolkit, to collect emails for future sales. Shoutouts plus paid posts. Once you hit 5K to 10K plus followers, people will pay for shoutouts if your niche is tight. This hustle is perfect if you don't want to show your face. Want to build digital income long-term? Enjoy researching and curating content? Want to test multiple monetization angles later on? This isn't a get-rich-quick game, but if you're consistent, it's one of the simplest ways to build a real online asset. If you want to see a full breakdown of the exact content types, hashtags, tools, and free templates to get started, check out the free guide linked in the description. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which niche you're thinking of building. I'll break down more hustle ideas like this every single week. Set your hustle pace and get to work.